Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn Together Kali Nali Quick Kannada. Learn 2 basic words in each video. It's 5th session. Today we are learning word this. In Kannada, this means idu. Idu. Okay, this means idu. Let's see the example. This is a house. Idu mane. Idu mane. Idu refers to near. Clear? Okay. So now let's see the difference between this and it in English. So where can we use it? It we can use something specific we have already mentioned. Okay, and this refers to something specific that is close to the user. Clear? So now the second word is that. In Kannada, that means adu. That means adu. Okay, what is the example? That is a house. Adu mane. So adu refers to far or distant objects. Clear? Yes. I hope you understood. I'll come up